Helene, 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 we're begging of you, please don't take our land. Helene, 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 please don't take it just because you can. Its beauty is beyond compare with forests wild and mountain air, but you don't really seem to care, Helene. Our people have been stranded now, their homes destroyed, and yet somehow we'll start rebuilding soon despite, Helene. We're searching now for those we've lost and estimating all the cost of lives you took along the way, Helene. Emergencies are everywhere, the locals do their best to care for those of us you've left behind, Helene. Helene, 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 we're begging of you, please don't take our kin. Helene, 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 please let those missing from the storm come in. Somehow together we'll get through the devastation caused by you by building everything anew, Helene. You've wrought destruction thus unknown, you took our families' lives and homes, these mountains are our catacombs, Helene. Helene, 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 we hope to all that's good that you're alone. Helene, 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 please don't take away what's left of home.